Many first-time pet owners, while excited about welcoming their furry children home, often make some breeding mistakes due to lack of experience. This article will analyze in detail the 5 most common NG behaviors that novice pet owners are prone to make to help you establish a healthier and more harmonious relationship with your dog. First, overindulgence leads to willful dogs. Many first-time dog owners often fall into a misunderstanding. They think that satisfying all the needs of their dogs is a sign of love. Little do they know that this unprincipled indulgence is quietly cultivating a little bully. Imagine, a large dog that barks wantonly and ignores instructions in public places is not only embarrassing for the owner, but also likely to cause safety hazards. The true way to love a dog is to be gentle and firm, giving full care and clear behavioral norms. It is recommended to adopt a positive guidance method, reward the dog in time when it behaves well, and take a cold approach when it behaves badly to help it establish correct behavioral cognition. Second, education is delayed, and problematic behaviors occur frequently. Many people who raise dogs for the first time often make a fatal mistake, thinking that the dog is still young and can be disciplined slowly. However, scientific research shows that puppies are in a critical socialization learning stage when they are 3 to 6 months old, and their plasticity is extremely strong during this period. If this golden education period is missed, the difficulty of correcting problematic behaviors later will increase exponentially. Take the barking problem as an example. When a puppy barks, if the owner adopts an inconsistent attitude, sometimes ignoring and sometimes responding, it will reinforce this bad behavior. The dog will form a wrong perception that if he insists on barking, he will eventually get a response. Third, insufficient exercise leads to physical and mental problems. Dogs are lively by nature, and adequate exercise is extremely important for their physical and mental health. Insufficient exercise will cause dogs to accumulate stress, and unconsumed energy will be converted into fat accumulation, increasing the probability of obesity and related diseases. Different dog breeds have different exercise needs. Usually, small dogs need 30 minutes of exercise per day, while medium and large dogs need more than 60 minutes. In addition to daily walks, games such as throwing toys and rope interactions are also good choices. Fourth, improper diet management affects dog health. Scientific feeding is an important basis for ensuring dog health, but many first-time dog owners often neglect this aspect. Seeing the cute appearance of the dog, you can't help but feed too many snacks, or buy inappropriate dog food at will. These improper feeding methods may bear health risks. Excessive snack intake can easily cause dogs to be overweight, which may then induce metabolic diseases and bone problems. Ignoring the nutritional ratio of the diet will affect normal development and reduce immunity. Faced with a wide range of dog food products on the market, owners should carefully select the most suitable formula according to the age, size, and health of their pets. Fifth, inconsistent attitudes confuse dogs. Dogs are born with keen observation skills and can accurately perceive the owner's emotional changes and behavioral feedback. When family members take inconsistent approaches to the same behavior, it is easy to cause cognitive confusion in dogs. For example, if a dog is allowed to rest on the sofa one day, but is punished for it the next day, this erratic attitude will make it difficult for the pet to distinguish between right and wrong behavior. If they are in this contradictory environment for a long time, some dogs will become anxious or aggressive, which will not only damage their mental health, but also threaten the safety of their owners. Therefore, establishing clear behavioral norms and maintaining a consistent attitude among the whole family are key prerequisites for cultivating good behavioral habits for pets. The joy of welcoming a furry child home for the first time is indescribable. But as a responsible owner, you must understand that the way you raise your puppy during its puppyhood will directly affect its future behavior and health. If you can avoid common breeding misunderstandings and master scientific care methods, not only can you make your pet and you get along more harmoniously, but you can also establish an indestructible emotional bond.